Why automate tasks in Notion?
Automation in Notion streamlines your workflow, saving time and reducing errors. By setting up automated routines, you can manage recurring tasks, coordinate projects, and eliminate repetitive manual actions. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, automation transforms Notion from a static workspace into a dynamic productivity hub. Let's explore how you can start building simple but powerful workflows.
Using templates for routine tasks.
One of the easiest ways to automate in Notion is by using templates. Create a template for tasks you repeat often, like meeting notes or weekly planning. Simply click New and select your template to auto-populate pages with checklists, tables, or reminders. This keeps your information consistent and saves setup time, letting you focus on what matters most.
Automating with linked databases.
Linked databases let you connect different pages in Notion. For example, link a task database to a project dashboard to automatically update progress when tasks are completed. Filters and views can show only relevant information, like today's deadlines or active projects. This setup ensures your data always stays organized and up to date without extra effort.
Integrating Notion with other tools.
Take automation further by connecting Notion to external apps using tools like Zapier or Make. For example, you can set up a workflow to add new calendar events or Slack messages directly to a Notion database. These integrations help centralize your information and cut down on context switching between different apps.
Simple automation example, daily to-do page.
Create a daily to-do workflow by making a template button in Notion. Set it up to generate a new page with your task checklist each morning. Optionally, link this page to your main tasks database to automatically track progress. This small automation can help you stay organized and kickstart your productivity each day.
Start small and build up.
Begin with simple automations using templates and database links. As you get comfortable, explore more complex integrations with external tools. By gradually building your automation workflows, Notion can evolve into a powerful personal or team productivity system. Experiment, refine, and watch your everyday tasks become effortless.